going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 9th of April. It is Tuesday. We're taking a look at PNG USD, Pangolin / the United States dollar. This will be the Coinbase data here. This will be a daily chart analysis here. Little TA, sharing some of my thoughts, not financial advice, guys. Welcome to the channel, all of the subscribers. Hope everybody enjoyed that rally the past couple days over in arcblock. Today is all about Pangolin. Let's jump right into it. So got a little red here in the morning. Take a look to the right hand side of the screen. You got a lot of red on my watch list, mainly a cryptocurrency watch list over there. We have PNG down 4.29% this morning. We have Bitcoin down over there on the right hand side, 1.92% after hitting a resistance level. So got some news here for PNG. We actually had a very nice day yesterday on Monday, the 6th, or the 8th, excuse me, 14.25%, guys. We had a 14.25% move on Monday for PNG. Just about hit our support down there at 41. Got very, very close. We hit a low of 42, and my level was at 41.277. Very, very close. And now we're starting to move back to the upside with a big day on Monday. What a way to start your week. Today, got a little reversal, put in a new high today. Not a new low yet, but we're sitting right at a level of, we'll see if it's going to be support or if it's going to be resistance. That level is 52,400 right here in yellow. So keep that in mind. We want to put in another higher high here. So far, we have a higher low over there on the 3rd. We want to put in a higher high. We want to take out the highs over here. On the, let's see, the 29th was 61,983. We want to take out the highs over there. That would be 62 cents, and that would give us a set of higher lows and higher highs. And that's going to take you right up into another important level to watch, which will be 65 cents. That's right here in yellow. That's our next target. Once we get a solid close above this 52,400, the next level is 65 cents. We got the close yesterday, and we might get it again today. It's early in the session, but we just need that confirmation. And then we should be heading up to 65. Now, of course, it does depend on what the rest of the market is doing. Bitcoin, what we're talking about. But anyways, we'll get to that. So PNG, similar to arcblock. If you have not watched the arcblock video, go watch yesterday's video from the 8th of April. Arcblock was in a very large cup with handle, just about made its entire move up to its target and is getting a little pullback. So, I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. PNG, Pangolin, is also, at least the way I look at it, in a cup with handle, guys, has yet to break out. So we have this basing, this rounding basing structure here. We have a move up, and then we have our handle. So this is supposed to look like a coffee cup, a teacup. You have the actual cup here, and then you have the handle here. If you were to, maybe draw a line across and then draw the handle and put the opening in the center, might make a little bit more sense, but that's what it is essentially. So we have Pangolin in a cup with handle. So the way you trade these is you have an entry above the left high. So you have an entry above the high of the handle. That would be, let's see, 62 would be your entry. We're trading at 51,951 right now. So your entry would be right up here at 62. And your profit target, where you would look for this to make a move, you take the difference between the high and the low of, you take that spread of the cup, and then you add that to your entry. What that's going to do, guys, is give you a target for Pangolin up here to $1.12. It's actually a green line on my chart right in here, but I wrote it in there, $1.12. I have 3 levels up in that area, 108, 110, and then now 112. 112 is the cup with handle target. So we have a little bit of work to do before getting that breakout. There's no guarantee that it's going to happen. If Bitcoin continues its move up, then there's a good chance it will happen, but we need that to continue. I do have to say, this is a much better looking pattern. I can't say I really like this big wick here. That could be skewing my target, but it is what it is. So this is a very smooth rounding bottom here, and the handle compared to the arcblock handle for the cup with handle, this is a much more smoother, rounds it out handle. So we have a target up there, like I said, at $1.12. The entry would be 65, 62, and the target would be $1.12. Not financial advice, guys, and there's no guarantee it will happen. But if you go watch the arcblock video, you'll see how they play out. And, potentially we're ahead of the curve here, so it'll be fun to look back. So from the entry, guys, we have a 112, 111, 112. That's about an 80% move potentially ahead for Pangolin. 80% based on the cup with handle. So I wanted to share that with you. We'll have to see what happens and see how it plays out. It may or may not play out. Go watch the arcblock video from yesterday, and you'll see what it looks like when it does play out. And we might be, like I said, ahead of the curve here, and we might be in for a nice breakout. So although there's a potential 80% move coming from the entry to the target up there at $1.12, that might vary a little bit. We might only get up to, 107, 106.9. We might only get up to 89, or we might surpass 112. Within this range, though, is what the cup with handle, it's what the chart's telling us, that there's a potential move up to that 112 based on just this structure. Now, I don't ignore my levels along the way. 65, 72, 540, 89, 120. Like I said, 106.9 and 110. Those are all targets to shoot for as the market, as and if the market can continue higher. 65, 72, 89, 106.9. Those are all areas that the market can get up to, find resistance, and actually pull back for a period of time. Those are also areas that one can look to maybe lock in profits as the markets hit those targets and decide to pull back. Not financial advice. You must make your own decisions on how you are navigating these markets. But for Pangolin, right now, there is a cup with handle, and the chart tells us that 112 could potentially be hit just based on this. You're looking at an 80% move from the entry, which would be the high of the left-hand side of the cup here for this pattern. Very, very cool, exciting stuff potentially to come here. We'll have to see if it takes place. From where we're trading at right now, which is at 51,951, a move up to that 112 is going to take you up 117 or so percent. So if for whatever reason you already own this, or you're going to decide to add early, and you hit 112 from where we're at now, you're roughly about a 117% to the upside. And I must say, Pangolin, there's no need for it to stop there. I mean, yes, that's a very large move, but guys, if Bitcoin continues to break out, it could easily be up to that and then much higher. We have fibs, of course, above that. The 1618 takes you up there to $1.47. The 2618 to $3.57. 3618, $6.67. But one level at a time, one day at a time, one chart pattern at a time. And right now, we're shooting for $1.12. If we can break out, past the 62 level, and then also continue to navigate above our levels, which are 65, 72, 540. We have one there at 89. We have actually one at 88.6, 106.9, and 110, and then finally 112. Like I said, go watch the arcblock video from yesterday. You'll see a cup with handle. You'll see how it just about got up to its $3, I think it was 306 mark. Massive, massive move. All right, guys, let's jump over to Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Bitcoin, we are looking for I actually got it yesterday. Didn't get the strongest close, but sometimes it takes a couple days. We got the higher lows here and the support at our 64,375. We started to get this move up. Yesterday was a big day for Bitcoin. We're up 3.28%. A slight pullback today. It's an inside day. Inside day meaning we did not put it in a new daily or a new daily high or lower within the previous day's range. So it's quiet. We're looking for that continuation, guys. Back to the upside. Look how close we got to breaking the all-time highs. Very, very close. Those are put in over here on the, let's see, either the 13th or the 14th, 37,709. So it looks like the 14th of March was the all-time highs. And that resistance came in at our 73,494. So we're looking for a big breakout. We're right there. I mean, we are very close. We could see this thing explode to the upside. Bitcoin explodes to the upside. Watch out, because you're going to have a lot of green on your screen and your watch lists. And we should see 1, Pangolin, 2, arcblock. Just 2 of many do very well. So let's see, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you're not yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. Appreciate it. All links down below. It does help support the channel. Good luck out there. Please make your own financial decisions. I'll catch you in the next one.